Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. I'm going to be making the famous Ramzan dal today. So for making the dal, we first need chane ki dal. So I have about a cup, 1 cup, which is about 200 grams of chane ki dal. And I have about 1.5 half teaspoon of black pepper powder, about 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 green chilies, then some fresh mint, about two limes, but I'm gonna use about 1.5 limes, and then some fresh cilantro, coriander, kothmeer, whatever you want to call it. And the final ingredient, the most important, is the water. So the first and the most important thing that you want to do is take that 1 cup of dal and soak it in water. Put it in water for in about this much, so you can see everything is covered. So I had already soaked the dal for about 2 hours, and now you can see the texture. It's like, not just see the difference between the dals. Okay, so after you have soaked and your dal is ready, let's put that in a pan. You don't have to add any additional water. You just make sure that you take everything in a bowl. This dal is specifically very good in Ramzan because it has a bunch of proteins in it, and the best part is it is not fried or anything, it's just boiled, so it is very healthy and nutritious. So I'm gonna put it in the stove and let it boil, let it cook on a low to medium heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna chop my mint, cilantro, and green chilies.